Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that CMC20 token. Now before I start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, the CoinMarketCap 20 Index DTF CMC20 is a liquid index token powered by a reserve that tracks the CoinMarketCap 20 index. The CMC20 index is a benchmark designed to measure the performance of top 20 cryptocurrency projects by market cap capitalization as ranked by CoinMarketCap. It excludes stablecoin, that is USDT, tokens that are pegged to other crypto assets, that is WBTC or STETH, and assets with limited investability like potential litigation risk or limited circulating liquidity. The index represents the broader cryptocurrency market while providing insights into the performance of a diverse set of digital assets. CMC20 token total supply is around 28.81 thousand and circulating supply is also 28.81 thousand CMC20 token. CMC20 token is listed on MEXC, Bitmart and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.